Are you tired of spending hours on everyday tasks? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share some brilliant hacks and tips to make your life smoother and more efficient. Let's start with the kitchen. Have you ever struggled to remove the shell from a hard-boiled egg? Simply add a teaspoon of baking soda to the boiling water, and the shell will practically slide off. Say goodbye to frustrating peeling. Now, onto laundry. Are your clothes covered in lint? Before throwing them in the dryer, add a tennis ball. It will bounce around, loosening the lint and leaving your clothes fresh and fuzz-free. Time is precious, especially when it comes to cooking. Want to cut down on garlic peeling time? Just place the garlic clove inside a jar and shake vigorously. The skin will come right off, leaving you with a perfectly peeled clove. Speaking of cooking, have you ever struggled with sticky measuring cups? Next time, simply spray them with cooking oil before adding sticky ingredients like honey or syrup. Your measurements will slide right out, making cleanup a breeze. Now, let's move on to technology. Are you constantly losing your charging cables? Prevent this by using a binder clip. Attach it to the edge of your desk or nightstand, and you'll always have a secure and easily accessible spot for your cables. Do you hate tangled headphones? Wrap them around a binder clip and secure the ends. This handy hack will keep your headphones organized and tangle-free. Finally, let's talk about productivity. Do you find it hard to stay focused? Try the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work without any distractions. Then, take a 5-minute break before starting the process again. It's a great way to boost productivity and avoid burnout. Thank you for watching our video on hacks and tips for a smooth and efficient life. We hope you found these tricks helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Have a fantastic and efficient day ahead.